Thank you for joining everyone. My name is Jimmy Creeth and I'm a field application scientist focusing on bioinformatics at Oxford Nanopore, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to best analyze your data with Epi2ME. Epi2ME is Oxford Nanopore's fully supported desktop application for nanopore data analysis. It's a beautiful desktop application with an intuitive interface. It provides a range of pre-configured workflows, including a very comprehensive one focusing on the human genomic variation. It also provides intuitive and interactive reports and standard output files, including output files for variance and methylation analysis. Epi2ME can be run locally or in the cloud, with a full cloud release expected in 2024. And for some workflows, it is compatible with real-time analysis and now allowing you to analyze your data as it's being sequenced. The same workflows are accessible through both a graphical interface and can also be run via the command line. What this allows is the fostering of collaboration between scientists and bioinformaticians. In addition to this, Epi2ME can also easily be integrated with your own workflows as well as tertiary analysis software. So Epi2ME works as follows. Your DNA or RNA is sequenced by your device. Your device will then write files to a location, and in some cases, these are then immediately available for analysis in real time, or they are available post-run. Epi2ME can then run in the cloud or locally, and it will then generate intuitive reports as well as workflow-specific results files, which can then be generated and used downstream. So Epi2ME functions as a standalone desktop application where you can select the desired workflow, point to the folder with your data, and then you configure your relevant parameters for that specific workflow and start the run. Epi2ME comes pre-packaged with over 10 open source workflows using the bioinformatics framework known as Nextflow. The great thing about Epi2ME is that there are no bioinformatics skills needed and it requires minimal software installation. In order to install Epi2ME as a desktop application, you only require Docker and a relevant version of Java. So Epi2ME workflows are implemented using Nextflow, and therefore all the workflows codes are deposited in the Oxford Nanopore's GitHub. Workflows can be directly executed from the command line without using the graphical interface by getting them from the GitHub. What this allows is the automatic managing and integration of pipelines, as well as the exposure to more options, including greater control over resources available to the workflow, such as increasing cores or using Singularity. In addition to this, Nextflow supports running jobs on HPC, Cloud, and K8s, which is an open source system for automating the deployment of containerized applications. Epi2ME can integrate with your pipelines as well as tertiary analysis software. More and more pipelines for nanopore data are being developed, enabling end-to-end solutions. You can sequence and base call with Minnow, the device software, and then analyze your data with pre-configured workflows in Epi2ME. You can optionally integrate your own pipelines into Epi2ME as long as they've been developed following the required standards based upon Nextflow workflows. Moreover, you can connect to Epi2ME directly with tertiary partner software. We currently support several software focusing on prioritizing variants within the space of researching rare and undiagnosed diseases. If you want to learn more about nanopore data analysis, Oxford Nanopore provides a variety of tools and guides to get quickly started. We recommend visiting our website to get an overview of the offering, and visit the Nanopore community pages for training material and documentation. Thank you for watching.